It's your time, do it right. Up in the day or in the night. Don't be shy, you can try, but can never take the fight. Oh, enough, can battle. We're all seeing some movement, so needed. Cultivation and beating, let them say what they want. But never believe that you do you, they do them. But love wins in the end, again and again. You can transcend, it's so needed. Cultivation and beating. It's your moment. You know you want it, you can do it. If you push right through it, they can't stop you. They can't stop you. It's your moment. And you gotta live it. It's your moment. You know you want it, you can do it. If you push right through it, they can't stop you. You know they can't stop you. It's your moment. And you gotta live it.
Perfect.
It's your time, do it right. In December or July, don't be shy, you can fly. You never break your stride. You're the one, the work is never done. It's a movement, so lead it. Cultivated and feeded, let them talk all they want. But never concede or stay true, stay zen, cause love is leading.